So this is Bernardo Casio with Quadratics outcomes 3 and 4, and this is the video explanation. So first off, we're gonna, in this outcome, we calculate the axis of symmetry and the vertex using the quadratic equation. The formula x equals negative b over 2a. So the first thing you have to do with an equation, so here's the equation: y equals x squared plus 4x minus 1. So then first of all you have to find a, b, and c, which are coefficients, and the a is a coefficient of x squared, and coefficient means that it's in front of it. So there's nothing in front of x squared, so then when there's nothing there, it's just 1. Then b is the coefficient of x, and which in front of x is 4. And then c is the constant, and this here is negative 1. So then we follow this, and we have to plug all the numbers in. So it's x equals, so we're trying to find the axis of symmetry here. So x equals, then negative b, which is, b is 4, but it's 4, negative times 4, and then 2 times a, which is 1. 2 times 1. And then we plug it in, we simplify it. So then this equals negative 4 and over 2, which becomes, this then equals, you divide it, so then equals, that becomes negative 2. So then over here, you get the x. So x here equals negative 2. And then you have to find the y in order to get the full equation. So for that, we have to it's the vertex. It's called finding the vertex. So we have to plug in the x in here. So then we already got the x, so now we have to find the y. So y equals x, we already got the x, which is negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 minus 1. And then we simplify this, which y equals negative 2 squared, negative 2, and it's positive, so then it's positive 4 plus negative 8 minus 1. Keep simplifying it. Y equals, you go from left to right, positive 4 plus negative 8 is negative 4 minus 1, then y equals negative 5. So then you have your x and your y, and here this is the axis of symmetry and this is the vertex. So then the 2 points on the parabola are it's negative 2 and negative 5. So then that's the answer for that. So then this is outcome 3, and then if we want to do, this is outcome number 3, quadratics. And then here, if we do 4, I can't really write it, but here, if you can see that it's we're trying to find, now we have to identify the vertex and x on the parabola. So here the parabola goes like this, and then here's x and here's y. So then and then the line goes straight through here. So this is 0, negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3, and then it goes negative 1, and here's negative 2. So here the vertex, the vertex is this point right here. So it's where the top or the bottom of the parabola is. So the parabola goes like this. This is called the parabola. And then at the top or the bottom, if it was upside down, it would be the bottom. The minimum and the maximum is where it hits. So here, this is x and this is y. So the point, the vertex, equals negative 3, comma, negative 2. Negative 3, negative 2. And we have to find the axis of symmetry with this, which is this point right here is the axis of symmetry. So just the point alone. So we want to go down, like this is where the line hits. So wherever the line hits the parabola is the axis of symmetry. So it hits it right here on negative 3. So then the x is equal to negative 3. So then that's how you get the axis of symmetry, and this is quadratics 4. Yeah, quad outcome number 4. So yeah, that's pretty much it for 3 and 4.